If you want to add custom code to your GoDaddy website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit HTML in GoDaddy Website Builder step by step, so you can paste in your own HTML, add custom styling, or even insert simple JavaScript in the right place. This is a really useful trick if you want more control over your site design or need to embed content that the standard builder doesn't cover. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website builder. Once you're inside the editor, go to the part of your page where you want the code to appear. This is important because the HTML block will be placed exactly where you add it, so choose your location carefully before moving forward. Now look for the plus icon, also labeled Add Section. Click that button to add a new section to your page. After that, a panel should appear on the right side of the screen with different section types and content options. In that search field, type HTML. If you don't see it right away, check the Files and Web category, because that's usually where the custom code section is stored. Once you find the HTML section, click Add. GoDaddy will insert a new HTML block into your page. Now click on that new section, and on the right hand side you should see a box labeled Custom Code. This is where you can paste your code. You can enter HTML, basic CSS, and in some cases simple JavaScript, depending on what your site allows. Before pasting anything, make sure your code is clean and ready to go. If you're adding a widget, an embedded form, a custom layout, or a small interactive element, paste the full code into the custom code box. After that, GoDaddy may let you adjust a forced height setting. This is useful because it controls how much vertical space your code block has on the page. If the height is too small, your content might look cut off, so increase it in pixels if needed. As you make changes, you may notice that some code appears instantly inside the editor, while other scripts do not fully render until you preview or publish the page. That's completely normal. If something doesn't look perfect in the editor, click Preview first to check how it behaves on the live page view. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish your changes. One important tip: always test your HTML after publishing. That way, you can make sure the layout displays correctly on desktop and the mobile, and that your custom code is actually working the way you want. If the block looks too large or too small, just come back and tweak the forced height setting until it fits better. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit HTML in GoDaddy Website Builder using the built-in custom code section. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it gives you a lot more flexibility for customizing your website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.